Hi, this is George from Apple of My Eye. Today we will look at the different types of breast pumps that we would have in the store. So breast pumps are of two types. One is manual and the other is electric. In a manual pumps, we will have to pump by ourselves, and in electric, a motor will be doing the pumping. So these are the manual pumps. Within manual pumps, we have two different types. One is the bulb type and the other one is the handle type. So I'll explain the bulb type. In this, we would have a bulb which we would press to create vacuum, whereas in the handle type, we would have the handles which is pressed. So these handles is what makes the vacuum. So that's two types. So we have the pigeon bulb type, the Kiko bulb type breast pump, all these are manual, and we have the pigeon handle type and the Avent handle type. We would also have Medella's handle type, which is called the Harmony, but at this time we are not having this to show it to you, but we'll move on to the electric pumps. This is a mini electric pump from Medela, and it is the most popular seller. This is the Medela Swing, which is an electric breast pump, but you will have more comfort in using this because it has a two-phase extraction technology, and some of the packages will come with a free Calma nipple, which is one special nipple from Medela. And then we have the Mimi electric breast pump, which is similar to the Medela Swing because both has the same controller which controls the suction. So that's the breast pumps that we would have. For any information that you would need, please call Apple of My Eye. Thank you for watching. This is George from Apple of My Eye.